Now we are going to create the table completely with this class. So on this edge, let's create a basic cube again. Press Shift A, mesh, add cube, and with this cube let's change its dimension according to our table and make it this here above the table. And now make the size of it this one, around this, make it 0.1 and make it around this one, move it down towards. As you can see, the dimension of this are 6. Now let's move it a little bit, move forward, control save. Now our glass has not been created. Right now it's not has been created. So before that, we are now going to move it here and let's press shift, and this time we are taking a cylindrical shape. And right now let's transform it and first move it here, move it here, move it here. Now let's transform it completely. As you can see, move, and now let's scale a little bit. Now move it. As you can see, if I zoom it out, you can see these are cylindrical shape on which our glass material will be placed. So for that reason I am just creating this, and let's move it backward a little bit, move it down. Now let's duplicate it, Control S, duplicate, Shift D, and leave it by pressing right click, move it backward little bit. And now let's shift plus D, right click and move it on the right side. Or let's Control Z, select this and duplicate both of them, Shift D and right click and move them forward. So we have a glass material updated. Now let's place our glass object here. As you can see, we have placed our glass object. Now let's select this object and go to shader. Once we go to shader, we are now in the glass properties, and now we have to change the material properties, and it is really important. So that go to right hand side on the object properties, you can see there is a material, and once you click on material, you will create a new material, and just click new material. Once you click it, new, and there is a tab has been generated. Now you double click it and name it glass table. Just click principal BSDF and make it glass BSDF. Now Control S, save. Now one last step is here. Once you go to render mode, you have to render engine, select to cycle. If you have a graphic card, it will work very fine. So just click it. Once you click it, here is our glass material. that we have generated. As you can see, transparent. 4 cylindrical material that we have created is now visible, just like a glass or a transparent material. Now let's go to GPU compute. Make it to GPU compute. I have a CPU compute, so that's why it's getting lower. So perfectly fine. As you can see, render fast. We have a glass material. Make it to Eve again. So in the layout section, I just shifted our light bulb and changed the light bulb to 1 to 3000 so that it is clearly visible. So right now let's make it to this our layout. Now let's go to viewport again, and viewport again. We have a basic workflow has been generated. Now